Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So, in this lecture, we have to discuss how to place and modify window in Revit. So, let's start. So, already I have created here one plan view. You can see in 3D view. In previous lecture, we have seen the placement of door. Okay, different types of door, how you can modify the door. That all I have explained you. Now, in this lecture, we have to see the placement of window, how we can modify the window. So for that, better is to place the window in floor plan. So open the floor plan like this. The plan is ready. Now if you want to place the window, so what you have to do, architecture tab, build panel, window option is given, hit on that. You can use the shortcut also W, but when you see in properties palette, here you will get only one or three types of window is available. See, one fixed type of window, there different dimension is given, then window casement double. You can see the preview, this type of window is also available. Window double hung type, there different dimension is given. So suppose I'm selecting this one, any type, just hit on that. Now I want to place the window where, like in kitchen area. This window I want in kitchen area. So what I am doing, I have just take the, because you know that window is also a hosted family. It's hosted family means the family which dependent on work plane. So window is dependent on wall, that is why it is called as a hosted family. So here we need work plane for the placement of window. See, I'm trying to place the window here, can we place? No, we need here work plane means wall, then only. So take the cursor near to wall where you want to place. See, I want to place here, just left click. See, the window is ready. You can see in this 3D view, in this area I have placed the window. See, it's look like this. Okay, now suppose you want to change anything here, like you want to you don't want this size window. Okay, so okay, different size is available, just you can increase the size as per your requirement. So now see, I have taken 16 inch by 48. When you see in 3D view, now it's look like this. Getting 16 inch the length of this window, 48 inch is height of that complete window. So I want this type of window. Okay, so you can place it anywhere which you want, you can select it from here. Okay, see, the sill height is also given here, 3 feet. What is sill height? As I told you, see, from the base of this wall, what height we have, at what height we have placed the window, so that height is 3 feet. If you want this window at 2.5 feet, see, just write down 2.5 feet. See, now from this point to this point, height is 2.5 feet, sill height we had taken. Getting? So you can do the changes, just select any of the window. Head height is also available. So come here in plan view now. Suppose you want to change the width, so select. Other option is also given, select this wall, this window, hit on edit type. Now from here you can change the glass panel material. Okay, sash material, what you want, you can change it from here. See, the option is given 3 dot, hit on this 3 dot, as per your requirement you can change the material. Height of that door is 4 feet. 4 feet means same, when you convert this feet in inches, so it will around 48 inch na. 1 feet is equal to 12 inch, so 4 feet is equal to 48 inch. So height is given 4 feet. Suppose if you want to change the height, so from this edit type, just what height you want, you can change it from here. Okay, that option is also available. Default sill height is 3 feet. If you want to change, you can change it as per your requirement. Width of this window is showing 1 feet 4 inch. Okay, you want to change the width, suppose you want 2 feet. So here what I'm doing, I'm writing 2 feet, hit on apply. Now see, the width of this window will change, will increase. Hit on that, apply. See, now the width is 2 feet. Okay, in this way you can do the changes whatever you want. Okay, then finally you have to hit on. So by if you want to do the changes, so better is what, first duplicate and then do the changes. Okay, already I have told you, because when you are duplicating, so you can change that window property, only this window property. But if you are not duplicating and you are directly you are changing, so whatever window you have placed in your project, so all window size will increase. That is why I'm telling, just duplicate and do the work. Okay, so see now in 3D the window which we have placed, it's look like this. Okay, if you want to rotate this 3D plan, so how to rotate, I think all of you know. Just press the shift key, hold the cursor and then move it like this. Which view you want to see, you can see. So I have shown you here how to place the window. See, the window is ready. Now come here. Now again, uh here also I want to place, so architecture tab, build panel, window. You will get the different types of window is also available. But suppose you don't want this window, you want some other types of window which is not available in Revit. So you can download, or sorry, you can load that window from library, Revit library. So how to download, how to load that window, different types of window. So that option also I will show you. In architecture tab, build panel, first you have to hit on window. Then in modify tab, mode panel, you will get the option load family. Hit on that load family. Okay. From here you can go back. You have to open the libraries which you have downloaded already. Then under English Imperial, here you have to search the window where it is. Here you can see in the last you will get the option window. Hit on that window. Now different types of window is available here. You can see the preview is shown here. Window, earning, double horizontal. Okay, different type window, bay, casement, 10-degree, 30-degree. So everything is available. Suppose I want to place this type of window, window, bay, casement, 10-degree angle. Okay, so what I am doing, I have selected this window. And if you want some other type, so you can just by pressing the control, you can, suppose you want to this window also you want, select this window, press press the control key and select this both window I want to load. So hit on open. Now when you open, see that window is loaded in your in Revit. See in PP both window is available. The window casement double side and their different dimension is available. But don't need, if you want to change the, if you want some other dimension, okay, you in edit type you can change that. And see this type of window is available, window, bay, casement, but only one dimension. If you want to change, you can change it. Okay, so suppose I want to place this window, window, bay, casement, 10-degree angle. So I have selected that window. You can see the preview is also shown here. Seal height automatically by default they have taken, so you can increase or decrease as per your requirement. So suppose I want to place the window here, but see the size of window is large. I want to reduce the size. First do the placement. See, now if you want to reduce the window width, so what you have to do, as I told you, select the window from the drawing. Here you can change the seal height also. So first I'm first change the size, then we have to change the seal height. Edit type. Now here you can see the width is showing 7 feet 6 inch. So I'm selecting 6 feet only. Hit on 6, apply. See the width is changed now. Okay, you can see the 3D view, the window which we have placed here, it is ready. If you want at seal height, I am taking now, it is showing by default 1 feet something, I am taking 2 feet. See, seal height means from this bottom of this floor up to here, bottom of this window. Okay, suppose if you want, if you have taken 3 feet, okay, now it is okay. I think 3 feet is enough. Okay, so in this way you can place the window. Same way, now I want to place one window here. Okay, so same, architecture tab, where is window, hit on window, which type of window you want, select it from here and place it. I want to place one window here, and one same window I want to place here also. Then one window I want to place here, and then where it is. So you can change the direction also. Okay, if you want to this direction, this point you want inside, you can change it like this. So when you come in 3D, so see from outside your window will look like this, and when you come inside the room, so it will look like this. So where you want, as per that you can change the direction. So now I am selecting here because I want to see outside like this. Okay, in bathroom area, this is our toilet area. So here I want to place some different window, suppose this one only. The first type I have selected and place it like this. Okay, then in the kitchen area, if you want to place, here what I'm doing is 24 inch by 24, this type of window I have placed here. Okay, in store also you can place it what you want. Now in this bedroom I want window, so hit on window, select this one only and place it like this. Here also you want, so you can place it, but here I want to place some different type, like which we have loaded here, this type. You can place it. If you want to reduce this size, sub take as a 60 and place it. See, it's look like this. Now come here in 3D view. So the window which we have placed, this is our main door. You can change it the sill height from here. As I told you, 3 feet you want, just change it. Okay, here also you want to place 3 feet, change it. Okay, you want to change the height of this, whatever you want you can change it. See, so different window I have placed in front. This is both window is different type, you can see. From here what I'm doing, I don't want window here in this, I want to increase, so increase the sill height 6 feet, and what where you want in toilet we have to place up only na opening. Here also I want, so what you can do, select both window, increase the height 6 feet. Okay, here I want to place the window. Okay, in this way we have to place the window, and you can do the modification. See, select the window, edit type, here you can do everything. Okay, see, you can change the wood material, you can change the clad material, everything is there, width, height, depth, whatever you want you can change it from here. Getting? So this is all about how to place and modify window in Revit. I hope all of you enjoy this session. See you